common boundaries of sin. His martyr witnessed by his lips, the faith he treasured in his heart. By shedding blood upon Christ, he found you dead the way to him. Discerning rightly judging death, that where rejoices in mercy, our fleeting pleasures saved all, he came at last to heaven's door. He ran with courage to the test, and valiantly endured the pain. He shed his life for love of you, and now enjoys eternal gifts. And so, O gracious loving God, we beg you hear our humble prayer. Regard your servant's need on this terrible harvest, that we may follow and attain a glorious share in his power, and find our joy forevermore in heavenly dwellings with his eternal praise and glory be to you, our Father, with the Son, and we adore you proudly from age